And the debate over the use of Sanskrit in the parliament has intensified, with the DMK strongly opposing its inclusion for simultaneous interpretation. The party's mouthpiece has launched a scathing attack on the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, questioning his claim that Sanskrit is Bharat's primary language and alleging that the push for Sanskrit is politically motivated. The publication argued that Sanskrit has historically been a tool for social division and criticized the new education policy for attempting to impose Sanskrit on India's linguistic landscape. The controversy erupted after DMK MP Dayanidhi Maran, during question hour, questioned the necessity of Sanskrit's interpretation, citing the 2011 census data, which recorded only 73,000 Sanskrit speakers. His remarks led to a sharp exchange with the Speaker, Om Birla, who defended Sanskrit's inclusion, asserting that it has been the primary language of Bharat.
Thank you for giving Sir, you are giving translation which is most welcome for the languages which are the state languages, official state languages. Can you tell me which state official language is Sanskrit? Why are you wasting taxpayers' money, which the language is not even communicable? It's not communicated in any of the states in India, and nobody is speaking. Sir, the population survey in 2011 said only 73,000 people are speaking, supposed to be speaking. Sir, when that's the data, why should the taxpayers' money be wasted because of your RSS ideologies?
अब माननीय सदस्य, आप दुनिया के किस देश में रह रहे हो? ये भारत है और भारत की मूल भाषा संस्कृत रही है और इसीलिए हमने कहा 22 भाषाओं में, केवल संस्कृत में नहीं कहा। आपको संस्कृत की क्यों आपत्ति हुई? आपको संस्कृत भाषा की क्यों आपत्ति हुई? आपको हिंदी में आपत्ति हो, आपको संस्कृत में भाषा हो। भारत में 22 भाषाएं हैं जो संसद में मान्यता प्राप्त है और 22 भाषाओं में होगी, संस्कृत में भी होगी और हिंदी में भी होगी।
Strongly condemn it. We will never accept the three-language policy. We will always stick to two languages.
Is this applicable only for government schools? What about private schools where three languages are being taught?
I am talking about the government school now, and because the fund has to come from the central government.